Hey guys, so I bought a new Razer mouse to replace my Dead Adder Razer as well. This is a Mamba Elite. It was about twice as expensive as a Dead Adder, but of course it has more RGB, so it must be worth it. You know that LEDs are always like $10 a piece, so I'm just kidding. I don't know how much an LED. Actually, LEDs are pretty cheap, but they charge you up the wazoo when they are on a gaming device. So anyway, I bought it and I'm gonna unbox it right now. I bought it off of Amazon. It seemed like a good price. So it's such a good price that I am hoping that it's a genuine Razer product. I mean, because there is fakes out there, and Amazon especially, and eBay. How was it? I can get this knife to cut. I think I should have bought a knife. This knife is duller than a wooden knife actually. Come on. Alright, there you go. Stupid knife is so dull already. Anyway, so yeah, like I was saying, this was very affordable for a new device. But it's Amazon, so you are always wondering, is this thing even authentic? And it probably is authentic, but you know, if they are fake, you know, they are really good fakes. And they actually, some Chinese companies actually do pretty good fakes. But this is probably authentic. The box, it has the holographic. It has the holographic typeset, and the QR codes seem to be authentic. So let me turn on the lamp a little bit. Where do you? So it comes with the usual manual for gamers by gamers. That's the RGB that's supposed to have. I am ashamed to admit that I only buy a mouse. Oh wow, they really want to yell when you're recording a video, don't they? So this I admit I buy my mouse in big part on how good the RGB is. So that's one reason I bought this one, because I like the lines, the RGB lines be on the sides of the mouse. And that other that I am getting rid of, it only has the little snake here in the front and the RGB wheel. So this one is a little bit more RGB, but it's twice the price. So they really try to get some extra money from you if you are going for more RGB. I don't wanna just rip the cardboard apart. I wanna unbox it nicely. Alright, so there we go. This seems to be authentic. It's pretty nicely packed. It's a nice rubber belt right here, and it's a usual cloth cover cable. Let's see if it's the real Razer USB color, because the fake ones have like the green, military green USB plug. Yeah, this seems to be like the real Razer. I was looking on YouTube at a fake Razer mouse, and it was actually it actually looked nicer than the real one. But once you open the internals, you can see all the chip connections, and the microchips are Chinese and stuff. So it's pretty nicely, the detail of the Razer is pretty nice. This detail right here. This is supposed to look like an air intake or something. Yeah. Oh, that's the feel that you want to. That's the feel that you want on a scrolling wheel. That's a relaxing feeling. That's so nice. The clicking is pretty much silent. You barely hear it. This one is barely audible. This is the DPI buttons. But this wheel, man, wow, it feels even better than the Razer other wheel. Oh, it's over here. It feels way better than this one. This one is a little bit more loose. This one is it has a little bit of traction to it. But that's a nice wheel. The buttons feel pretty much the same like that other. Something I really liked about that other is the rubber grips on the side. This rubber is a special. This is not just like any rubber. It feels like formulated for mouse. It feels really nice on the finger. This one is a little bit softer, a little bit smoother. I wish it was like this one. This is the right feeling right here. A little bit rough, a little bit rough to the touch. This one feels a little bit too soft. The side buttons right here, I don't really use these ones. I usually, when they are active and I am clicking the right button or the left, I usually click this by accident. So there you have it. This cable I like that is so long, you know. That's a really long cable, made for the gamer, because we usually have a lot of we have big desks and big we roll on the chair all over the place. So yeah, that's the right amount of cable that you need, you know, the Razer, the one that Razer makes. This is nice. Let me see if it's the same length as the other one. It probably is the same exact length, but we'll see. Tango. I think I made another knot on it. Yeah, well, forget that. I only have one hand available, so there is. I'm gonna plug it and let's see how it let's see if Chroma, if the Synapse program recognizes it right away, it means that it's a real Razer. Let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna turn off the lamp so I can appreciate the RGB better. Alright, there we go. Yep. So, that's up right away. And let me see if Synapse, it's oh yeah, Razer, the Razer program, it launches immediately. Yeah, it's Razer Mamba Lite, so it probably means it's an authentic Razer mouse. Ventilation again, your Razer Mamba Lite connected to Razer Synapse 3 for the first time. Have fun exploring the following features. Bind your favorite macros, expand your arsenal by doubling the number of customizable buttons. Express your unique personality with Razer Chroma. Right, everything nicely. Select software to install. Okay, I already have all that software. In fact, I have a third-party program that unifies all of my RGB devices and synchronizes them. So it's all synchronized with each other. This one is new, so I need to set it up. But as you can see, the Synapse already knew it was an authentic Razer. A problem with videos is that you can never appreciate the real the real view of RGB. Like in my phone, I'm looking at the mouse and it looks washed out, like really poorly. The Razer, like the RGB looks really washed out. But in real life, it looks amazing. The colors are very vivid and pretty bright. Same with the keyboard and the screen, it looks washed out. But I guess that's why you have to go with a brand you already know, I guess. So you already have an idea that it's gonna be, what you expect. Yeah, so there you go.